You're checking your Shopify dashboard, watching sales come in, and wondering if your dropshipping store is actually profitable, or if hidden fees, shipping costs, and ad spending are quietly eating everything. That's where TrueProfit steps in, promising real-time profit tracking, accurate financial analytics, and transparency for every dollar your store spends. But the real question is, does your dropshipping store actually need this app in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, the place where we break down e-commerce tools and help you understand what's worth using and what isn't. Today we're reviewing TrueProfit to see if its tracking system, integrations, and accuracy truly deliver value. I spent an entire week testing TrueProfit across 3 Shopify stores. I synced real product costs, shipping fees, ad accounts, and fulfillment data. I tracked results daily and compared them to manual spreadsheets and native Shopify analytics. I also looked at user reports across dropshipping communities and Reddit groups to understand common issues, bugs, and long-term performance. After this full evaluation, I now know exactly where TrueProfit stands in 2026. TrueProfit markets itself as the most accurate profit tracking app for Shopify, claiming that it handles product cost syncing, ad spend updates, shipping data, and even LTV calculations. But is it genuinely accurate? Does it replace spreadsheets? And does it give dropshippers the financial clarity they usually lack? Step 1. Real-time profit tracking. This is the main feature: real-time visibility on margins, net profit, and actual costs. In testing, updates were fast and matched manual calculations almost perfectly. Step 2. Ad spend integration. You can sync Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and more. Ad cost updates were reliable, though occasionally delayed during high-volume days. Step 3. Product and shipping. Cost syncing. TrueProfit allows manual or automatic cost updates. This is essential for dropshipping, where supplier prices fluctuate. When costs changed, the dashboard reflected it quickly. Step 4. Customer lifetime value, LTV. LTV tracking is helpful for subscription products or repeat purchase niches. The calculations were accurate but limited if your store has low returning customer volume. Step 5. Mobile app and dashboard. The mobile version is clean and gives instant snapshots of profit, ROAS, and daily change. The desktop dashboard is more detailed with graphs and breakdowns. Step 6. Pricing. TrueProfit uses tier-based pricing. It's not cheap, but considering the time saved from manual tracking, the cost can be justified for stores generating consistent monthly revenue. So, does your dropshipping store actually need TrueProfit in 2026? Pros: highly accurate real-time profit tracking, strong ad spend synchronization, quick updates for shipping and product costs, helpful LTV insights, clean dashboard and mobile app. Cons: and pricing may be high for beginner stores. Occasional delays in ad spend updates. LTV insights are limited for new stores. Requires setup time to be accurate. Not helpful if your store has inconsistent sales. Bottom line, TrueProfit is a powerful financial tool for established dropshipping stores that want real clarity on profit and expenses. If you're scaling, running ads daily, or managing multiple products with fluctuating costs, it's absolutely worth it. But if you're just starting out or making a few sales per day, the subscription cost may outweigh the benefits. If this review helped you decide whether TrueProfit fits your 2026 e-commerce goals, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Comment below which Shopify app or dropshipping tool you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping your money, tools, and tech work smarter for you.